Hey, Megan. I just love coming over to your country farm. So reminds me of my grandma.
Does it?
And yeah, and these are the productive chicken, right?
They are the productive chickens. They're so sweet. You know what's great is when you've got a orchard like this, I often will weed and feed it to them because they love the greens.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, and then I give them produce. Here, come on, I want to show you some stuff. I give them produce as it rots or just, if there's excess. So they get a lot to eat. There's my avocado. That's a great one. Yeah. Listen to that
that's
guy.
a mean rooster.
Check out the lemon verbena. That's a great herb. I use that in tea, and I can steep a lemon, like I can steep some ingredients in that lemon verbena and get that real strong lemon flavor. Here's some new trees.
That will be lavender, right?
That is lavender. That's for the lemon lavender cakes
Uh-huh.
that we baked last year. Those will be great.
Love it.
Love that recipe. So I'll let you guess. What is that tree?
I have no idea. I love those little blossoms.
Aren't they great? You can tell by the color. It reminds you of what the produce is going to be.
Huh.
Yeah. Can you guess?
Well, I've... Maybe pomegranate?
It is. You got it right. That's a pomegranate tree. I've got a couple of those. They produce a lot. You can see how many that's going to produce this year.
They're gorgeous.
Yeah, that's nice.
So Megan, this is really like a labor of love, I can tell. You've built this out of a mountain site, right?
We
You
did.
have really put in all the retaining walls and
25 years of living here.
And- yeah.
140 railroad ties.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that we had to pin in to create the terracing.
And this looks like a sandstone.
It is. That's actually ocean sediment.
Huh.
And the plate tectonics lifted the Santa Cruz mountains up from the ocean bed, and it was beautiful because for the soil it created this really oh gosh, what do you call it? Like it just breaks down. It's very high nutrient value, so it's difficult to dig in, but once you get the plants established, they love it.
They love it. Yeah,
Very
I can tell. I mean, it's so
nutrient-dense.
lush and green in here.
I've got apple, I've got pear, I've got prune, I've got bindle.
We can't eat him. Yeah.
No, I've got, of course, citrus.
What are these? Prunes?
Oh, that's my favorite. That's a Italian prune tree.
Ooh.
Gosh, do I love that. Just
Nice.
so luscious. Very delicious. I've got my irrigation all over and
Yeah.
more citrus.
Wow, that really will carry a lot.
It will. That's actually a blood orange, which is beautiful. If you come this way, I love the vignette. While you're up in the garden, you look out and you can see the oak trees and the native landscape.
Right.
That's what I love about it. And the birds, listen to the birds.
Oh yeah, they're everywhere.
Yeah.
Are those raspberries down there?
They are. Yeah, a lot of raspberries. We got a lot of raspberry production.
Nice. Well, are these blackberries?
They are blackberries. That's a great little blackberry. My mom gave me those years ago, and they have really produced a lot of blackberries. They're thornless.
They're so unusual.
Isn't
I
that
love
neat?
those little flowers.
See how you're
Yes.
touching it and not getting,
Yes, they're gorgeous.
not getting the sharp. Oh,
Ooh.
sweet bindle.
What can we use those for?
I love using those for compote. Remember when we did that lemon,
Yes.
those lemon cakes with that blackberry compote?
Right. Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That was good.
Yes.
Delicious stuff. We've got the pear here, the Asian pear.
Oh yeah. I
That's
can
great
tell.
for Megan muffins. I like that a lot. That's very productive. That really is productive. Hey, Patricia, come down. You got to check out the grapes. They're so nice. We reestablished the grapes this year because we rebuilt the fence.
Yes.
And look at the grapelets right here. Look at these little.
Oh my gosh.
Aren't those lovely?
And can you eat them? Or
They're
are
table
they
grapes.
Just, table grapes?
What's great also is I convert those into, by drying them with my dryer, those convert into, what do they call it? Raisins.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So we got raisins.
Lots of nice sweetness.
Dude, you've got to have one.
Ooh.
Oh, check that out.
Thank you.
That is one
Oh, my
ripe
goodness.
raspberry. Seriously, those are good.
Actually, this one is full of ants.
Oh, is it? Here.
I don't think I'm going to eat this one.
There you go. Here are two real good ones. There you go.
Thank you.
Maybe
oh my
antlers.
gosh. Let's double check. Yes, they look delicious.
That's great. I'm
Nice.
so glad you came. Thanks for visiting.
You.
I love it when you come over.
Oh, Perfect.
Helps give me ideas of what to bake next, right?
Hey, you little ant.
Mm.
We can put those on top of some muffins.
You know what? Let's go
Like
up
a
to the kitchen.
little decoration.
Let's go up to the kitchen and
Mm-hmm.
write up another recipe.
Sounds like a plan.
Let's go.
Let's do that. Okay.
Gorgeous. What a day, huh?
Yep.
This is beautiful. All right, let's go up to the country kitchen of mine and get something done.
Sounds like a plan.